Esbenshade Zerbe. I'm the 5th generation here at the Esbenshade Turkey Farm.
And I'm Erin. I'm 6th generation here at the farm.
I'm Dave Zerbe, and I'm Barb's husband. We're holding a 10-week-old turkey. It probably weighs in the neighborhood of 18 pounds. We're in our large turkey house where we have about 6,000 turkeys. And this turkey I'm holding here is about 4 weeks from being dressed and ready for the Thanksgiving dinner. And we have upgraded the turkey house by adding automatic waters and feeders over the manual system that was here before.
I'm Erin, and I am Bob Esbenshade's oldest granddaughter. I've been here on the farm working since I was 6, and I'm now working with my mom and dad to carry on the Esbenshade tradition.
Working here with my father, Bob, for many, many years, ever since I was little. Now I'm helping in the office to run the day-to-day operations.
I've worked with my father-in-law, Bob Esbenshade, since I've been married the last 40 years, and we're pleased to operate and sell over 6,000 turkeys every Thanksgiving and Christmas, and people continue to return to buy them.
Our farm helps supply turkey for Thanksgiving dinners all across the United States, and we have customers coming from Florida and Indiana, New York, New Jersey.
Last year during COVID, many people wanted to buy smaller turkeys, like 10, 12 pounders, because they were not getting together with their families and they just wanted to have a turkey, so they got a smaller one just for themselves. So this year we're optimistic that it'll be back to normal and people will be able to buy their 20, 25-pound turkeys.
So we're in the home stretch here. We're about 4 weeks from dressing turkeys, which we'll begin doing in early November. And customers will start arriving the 3 days before Thanksgiving to pick up their fresh turkey for their Thanksgiving dinner. The Esbenshade Turkey Farm has been operating since 1858, 160 plus years. And we as a family are going to continue running this operation for the future generations of the 6th and 7th generation that are helping us presently. And we're excited about the opportunity.